Most editors chase clarity, but signal dominance theory teaches you to control which visual information speaks first and which waits its turn. The philosophy here is that images fail not because they lack detail, but because too many signals compete simultaneously. Your job is to assign dominance so the viewer's perception unfolds in a controlled order. The actionable insight comes from learning how to suppress secondary signals without erasing them, allowing primary meaning to arrive instantly while deeper information reveals itself later. When dominance is engineered correctly, the image feels confident rather than busy. This approach changes editing from enhancement into orchestration.